na imeiva vizuri. So guys, that's how it is. Hello guys, welcome to Shira's Lifestyle, and today's video we are gonna bake a chocolate cake using without using an oven. We'll cook it in a jiko. And so I'm here with my little helper. She's got her red, and she's gonna help me here and there doing some activities. And if you need this channel, please consider hitting that subscription button, like, share, and comment to many people. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming and continue supporting me. We love you so much. So guys, watch this video up to the end. So guys, these are our ingredients. We have chocolate, 2 eggs, home baking flour, vanilla essence, sugar, margarine, and we have our milk there. And sugar. Then we mix the mixture until it's fine. Guys, now our mixer is good to go. We add our eggs. Bring that egg. We'll mix them one by one. There's a cracked shell entered in our mixture, but I managed to remove it, so the mixer. After that, add the second egg. Mix. And put this one. This is our butter, sugar, and eggs. Let's see. Let's add our flour. I forgot to tell you, we add a pinch of salt, a pinch, and because this is not safe raised, we will use baking powder. extra stirring. Hey guys, I'm mixing. This is using your hands. You must use a lot of energy for your mixture to be well mixed. I need to buy a mixture because this is stressing, but we are managing to do it. And you see, which is good to go. Supposed to be like that. Now we add our vanilla essence. This is vanilla essence. You guys are cool. I need it for you, okay? We put this. That's a lot. Just put one drop, 1 or 2 drops. Mix. Mix again. This is my chocolate. Guys, you can see the difference. Yes. So guys, our next step is to dust our tin, and this is our tin. Guys, this is what our tin. So what you do, my hands are clean, guys. So you come and apply some margarine or oil, whatever you have. Apply. Yes, just like that, all around. The reason why we dust, why we apply oil on our tin is to avoid our cake to stick. remove the extra. It's like this. Now you're good to go. So I start by adding my butter, the white butter, like this. Then I add the chocolate one, like that. I come and again the white one, like that. I come, I add the other one. That. You can try to spread. Then you continue the same step. Continue the same step. And you add this. So this one you add because I'm almost done. I am done, guys. Now I'll take my toothpick. I just want to see whether it will come with style. You can come and do like this. Do like this. Do like this. And then guys, you remove the excess. Do like this. And so guys, that's how it looks like. You see what I've done with the toothpick? It has made it to form that flour. So let's place it on our jiko. That's what I'm baking our cake with. So first thing, I'll use this big sufuria. Place it on your jiko for some time, for like 10 minutes, and then you let it heat. After that, I'll come and place my cake. To put some forks here to avoid the cake to touch the surface of the sufuria to avoid burning. See guys. And then close your jiko. Let's wait for 45 minutes, then come back and check our cake. Sawa. That's it. Very nice. So nice, so nice, so nice. You can check this side.